guys, Justin from Flipzco here. Welcome to Marco's white clawed out Audi S5. Nothing gets better than that, than your average pumpkin spice latte right there. If you guys are here for any car content, I'm gonna, fair warning, big warning right now. We are working on my 1982 VIRAGO. All right, so we're gonna run this fatty wheel on the VIRAGO. VIRAGO 750. 295, 55. Dude, no one's gonna believe it. We're actually putting that out. This is the motorcycle that we have. We still have the regular shock with the dampening and everything. This needs to go. It is uber heavy. We have all the controls done on the bike itself. So we got new levers, we got new grips, we got the original cable, the original start-stop engine right here with the starter button right down on below. The triple clamps are not set to the exact height that we want just yet. We might go a little lower, we might go a little higher, depending on how the motor sits on the ground is what's gonna defy. Also, we need to get some wider, thicker tires as well. I want this thing to look straight cafe. Special shout out to Sean over at, can't even pronounce it, DESTIJL MOTO. I hope I'm saying that correctly. If you guys want to put an R1 or R6 shock in the rear, you're going to need this kit right here. This is where the R6 shock would stop. So from the actual subframe itself all the way to here, then you have this gigantic gap. This kit, which I believe cost about anywhere between 200 to 250, would connect here. Look at the fitment right there. Perfect. Exactly where we need to be. The only thing that we need to do is actually press out these old bushings in the R6 shock, and we should be good. This is the first one. He's actually going to put this into production. It actually has the bolt here instead of actually having to get one of these. Pin it in the sides. So what we're going to do is put this here, line it all up. Some assistance. Marco, say what's good. It's been a long time since the ruckus. I hope you're doing well. I miss you, man.
I'm doing all right, bro.
You're looking good.
Can't complain. Thank you.
Got a girl now, all wifed up.
Got a girly car. So.
No, you don't got a girly car. You're gonna make that not girly.
I'm gonna try.
Is it going down?
Yeah, it's going. Unfortunately, like, we're gonna have to go like way down. Unload this.
Did it pop out?
We can't go all the way. Okay, so we basically got it the whole way. We're gonna put it on the vise real fast.
More pressure on this actual piece right here, because once you crack that, you're done. Oh, you almost knocked yourself out. That was awesome. Popped in already?
Yeah, look.
Oh,
maybe
nice.
they're meant to do that.
Yeah, he said they just slide right in. Oh, so you don't even need to press them.
That's it.
Works perfect. Sean did a really good job with all the CNC and everything and making these bushing kits fit perfect. Marco, easy install.
Easy install.
Thank you, man. Go back to putting your exhaust on so that you could actually stunt on them.
There you go.
I was talking to Sean, and he basically said that you gotta actually sand this down because it does develop corrosion, and it should be moving freely inside the actual bushing itself. So what we're gonna do is grab some sandpaper, start sanding this down, and then move forward. And we welded today, kids.
Will this bottom out?
Yeah, it should bottom out.
That's
cool.
it.
Yep. Cotter, and then
Down here still moves.
Oh yeah, we're good. Perfect. Thanks, Cody at Rowdy's Garage. Thanks, Marco at Refinery. So obviously you can see the shock mount kind of just goes in like that. We're gonna try and shimmy it. Gonna need to do this two-handed. Line it up. We're good to roll. All right, guys, so my camera just like overheated, which is by far crazy. I would assume it's because I'm shooting in 4K. We're getting down to the nitty gritty of this thing. We're almost done with it. Tightening this bolt right here, connecting it to the actual frame itself. Snug it up, because we're gonna have to double check anyway when we actually get the bike running again. And then all I gotta do is lift this subframe and mack in that bolt really quick, and then we are done. It's a nice simple procedure. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. We are going to basically get this thing all up and ready for 2020. I know I'm saying that, but we do have a lot of projects. The Corvette just needs to get basically a wrap. We need to do a couple things, tidy up the interior, but other than that, while drifting this thing, it was amazing. So instead of actually trying to change a billion things and trying to make this thing a drift monster, let's just keep it where it is, learn the car, understand it, and you know, develop more as a driver compared to just a modder or a build inspired kind of thing. I just would rather just drive the car, have fun with it, and then who knows, maybe down the line we'll give it away to one of you guys. And gonna update the Supra over the winter. Definitely the 2002. I spoke to Leo already. We're gonna be working on that. He's gonna get the motor dropped in, and then we're gonna bring it to this specific shop once this is actually wrapped. Now, with that being said, the Virago is kind of just like a slow build. But if you guys have any questions, definitely hit up Sean over at DESTIJL MOTO, and I'll definitely link it below. And hit the link below. We need to find a cure for cancer, so definitely just donate. I don't want you guys, you know, giving more money than what you have to, but $1 or $5, it really goes a long way. And if you guys want to support us, definitely order some merch on our website. We got new hoodies dropping for First Class Fitment. We will be at First Class Fitment on Saturday, so hope to see you guys. Definitely say hi and swing by the booth. All right, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Peace.